Let me show you how I created this on my iPhone from a single video shot. So you're going to download our app Lapse. You can create these videos for free in our app. You start a new project and you choose Lapse project. You'll see that option show up and you push record once. So we're doing one long video clip for this entire video, the two scenes. So for the stop motion, we're animating it. We are moving our object a little bit and then fully moving out of the scene in between each movement. And then it's still rolling. I didn't stop and start a new clip. I'm filming the part of me that's going to be considered the regular video part of the scene. Now we go through and we're extracting the photos. So we're taking screenshots of the video basically to build that stop motion frame by frame. Lapse will automatically put it into layers for you. All you have to do is draw on a mask of where the stop motion is and it just blends everything together for you in the proper layers. You can also do things like customize the speed for how fast the stop motion is going. Comment download app and I'll send you the link.